In this video, we will show you a remarkable 1 to 6 trade profit using smart money concepts, ICT and volume profile trading techniques. We will show you the full trade setup breakdown using exactly where to place a trade and take profits. Weekly volume profiles, the point of controls are going up, sweeping the liquidity below London lows, draw it into this trend area from here to here. So now we can see the volume point of control is over here. This is where smart money has heavily traded. Price to retrace into the volume point of control. We got bullish fair value gaps. This is the daily power of 3 indicator. Volume point of control area, stop loss below this fair value gaps. First take profit, buy limit order in this volume point of control. That is because the smart money and the buyers have defended this price volume point of hit our second take profit level 1 to 6 trade profit using smart money ICT and volume profile trading. I'm in the micro Emini-NASDAQ index futures 30 minutes chart. If you look at the overall market structure, it is a bullish market structure. The price is going up. And if you look at the weekly volume profiles, the point of controls are going up and the volume is building and the volume is going up. So the overall bias is a bullish bias. So when we come to this day of trading, our daily bias is bullish. So if you look at the recent price action, you can see it's a bullish market structure and you can see the price retraced down, and over here the price made a liquidity sweep, sweeping the liquidity below London lows, and then after that price started pushing up, and price started pushing up after the Asian session and in the London session, and now you can see the price is retracing down. So now if you look at this area, the price has started pushing up. You can see it's having a bullish market structure making higher highs. So this small area is in a uptrend. So now what we do is into this area we will apply our trend setup. So we will draw the volume profile from this point to this point into this trend area. So let's grab the volume profile tool and draw it into this trend area from here to here. So now we can see the volume point of control is over here. So this is where smart money has heavily traded. If you would like to learn the trading strategies we use, click the link given in the description below to access the full free course and use that knowledge to get funded and start trading like a professional. So now what we do is we check the time. The time is New York time 8 a.m. This is the index futures market. So we take our trades from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. So we need to wait till 9:30 a.m. So what we do is we wait for the price to retrace into the volume point of control. Also you can see we got bullish fair value gaps in this area. And also we can see this is the daily power of 3 indicator. And you can see the New York midnight opening price is over here. So if we wait for the price to retrace to this volume point of control level, then we are taking the bullish entry closer to the daily open price. So now what we do is we place a long position around targeting around 9:30 a.m. into this volume point of control area, and we will place the stop loss below this fair value gaps over here, and we will target our first take profit below this London swing high. So now what we have done is we have placed a buy limit order in this volume point of control price level, and we will see what the price is doing. You can see by 9 a.m. New York time the price pushed up, but our entry is placed at 9:30, so our entry is not yet tagged and we are monitoring what the price is doing. So it has made another swing high over here. Now you can see sharp at 9:30 a.m. New York time the price came down and just tagged our entry, and now we are in a buy entry. And immediately after triggering our entry, the price sharply pushed up immediately. That is because the smart money and the buyers have defended this price volume point of control where they heavily build up their positions. So it immediately triggered our first take profit level. So now what we do next is trade management. So now we have placed our second take profit just below this swing high of the previous day. And now we will see what the price is doing. So now you can see the price came and hit our second take profit level as well. So this gave us a remarkable 1 to 6 trade profit using smart money concepts, ICT and volume profile trading techniques. And this setup over here is our volume profile based trend setup. If you would like to learn the trading strategies we use, click the link given in the description below to access the full free course and use that knowledge to get funded and start trading like a professional. Okay, so it's end of the video and we will see you in another video.